Hey y'all, you're watching Portie's Garage. Oil change day here on this beast of a 2022 F150 equipped with a 5-liter V8. We've got two 5-quart jugs of Valvoline 5W30 full synthetic. We've got OEM Motorcraft oil filter, part number FL500S. We've got our oil filter remover, and we've got a little 15mm socket here to get that drain plug out. So let's get into it. All right, folks, we're here under the F150. If you look, you've got your transmission pan, and you're looking for the oil pan right here, right kind of behind this sway bar and in front of the cross member here. So we've got our 15mm here. Let's go ahead and take this plug out. Get all this dirty old oil out of this pig. We'll let this drain out. Once it's gone, we'll put the plug back in, torque her down, move on to getting the oil filter out. After a couple minutes letting her drain here, time to button her back up. First, gonna start by putting the plug back in. Alright, and torque spec is coming out at 20 foot-pounds. So we got our torque wrench pre-set to that. Let's make sure she's on. 20 foot-pounds. There we go. And for good measure, just gonna give her a quick clean. No one wants oil mess all onto their car. All right, let's move on to the filter. Here we are at the front of the vehicle. We got enough room for a New York City apartment in here. And we've got very easy access to our oil filter right here. So what we're gonna do, pop on our equipment here, and we're gonna start pulling it off. It's actually kind of a cool design. There's almost a catch pan right here and a little spout right there for any old oil to just drain right out. And it is draining in the wrong zone. So much for that. Little guy's stuck on here. There we go. Okay. Now let's do a quick check, make sure the whole O-ring came out. It definitely looks like the whole thing, but we'll double check just to make sure. No. Smooth as a baby's bottom. All right. Let's get our new filter on here. And I'm just going to take a little dip of fresh oil here. Lube up our gasket. And we'll pop her on. And now we don't got to do anything too crazy tight on this, but we want to make sure it's not coming off while we're driving, because that would be a nightmare. All right, there we go. Let's get back up top and start filling this thing back up. All right, back to top side here, and we're looking at the motor here. On the passenger side, we're gonna find our oil filler. So we're just gonna take this, unscrew her, pull her out, set it somewhere and not get too much oil all over the place. Get her draining, and now we're gonna start filling. Now this pig takes a lot of oil. We're talking 7.7 quarts. So I'm gonna be putting this whole thing in and about another half. Let's try not to spill everywhere. Just to make things easy on us here, we went ahead and drew a line where that extra 2.7 quarts is going to come out of this. So that way we're not doing too much checking. So pour some in and we'll check and see how close I am to the line. Oh yeah, still about a quart to go. Okay, right above the Sharpie line. I think that's close enough to give it a shot. Start it up, let it idle for a sec, then we'll check our levels. If we're a slight bit too low, we've always got extra. Let the truck idle for about a minute, just waited for it to kick down from high idle. Now let's check the oil, see how close we are. Wow, we got the whole curlicue here. Come on. I want to make sure we're getting all the way up. There we go. Oh, hoo-hoo, we are right on the money. Directly halfway into the good zone. I think we'll call this a job well done. Hey, we got the oil changed. Truck's running and driving. Sounds really good. Last thing we got to do, get rid of this oil light. So we're going to do first X out of this message, and we're going to go to menu, settings, vehicle maintenance, oil life, and here 0% oil life. I'm running a little close to the edge here, but all we do basically hold OK on the steering wheel right here, and then we'll see we're resetting back to 100%. And there you have it, ready to hit the road again. Well, that'll do it. Quick and easy, didn't even have to get the truck up on any jacks. I could just slither on under there. Hey, if you like this kind of content, hit us with a like, hit us with the subscribe to help us out, and it'll keep more content like this flowing your way. Thanks for watching.